Oh, people asking why I don't have alerts? Because this is a programming channel where we do actual programming, and actual programming requires concentration. And yeah, if you, whatever you're doing and you don't get distracted by alerts of donations, you're not doing programming. So the streamers who do actual programming don't have alerts, like ever. Take a look at the George Hotz, Jonathan Blow. Rafael Luba, I think, also doesn't have. Like, anyone who's actually serious about programming and streaming how they program, they don't have alerts because alerts are incompatible with programming. A streamer that has alerts doesn't do programming. Casey also doesn't have alerts, yeah. I used to have alerts, by the way. I used to have them, but then over time I learned that, yeah, they're not compatible. Unfortunately, they're not compatible. Unless you kind of want to turn your stream into sort of like this clown fiesta where you trying to concentrate and the game that the viewers are playing is to distract you. I distracted the streamer and the streamer got angry. So, like, I used to play this kind of game, and maybe it is fun and it's actually baiting people into giving you money and stuff like that. But since I don't have any donations, like I can't get like any donations unless it's bitcoins, and also it's actually kind of mentally taxing, right? When you're genuinely trying to concentrate on programming and it get distracted, over time it actually chips off a little bit of your mental health. Well, I mean, Clonk, you actually, right? Okay, you're a special kind of person, honestly. Like, you sometimes, like, I don't even know how you do that, honestly. Like, I watched your stream, and the way you just concentrate on your thing and doesn't give a shit about, like, what, somehow you integrate distractions of the chat into your workflow. I have no idea how the fuck you're doing, and I have a huge respect for you for that. So... Right, yeah, it's a mental, yeah, I can see that. So I'm sorry, I'm mentally weak, right, so I'm mentally weak, like, I rest my case. Clonk is the only person who can actually do that. Right, Clonk is the only person who can actually do that. Anyway. Preparing for the work in OpenOffice. Yeah, so I used to work in OpenOffice, and I would just buy like a huge headphones and just like close myself from everyone else. Right, so and the game that you play in the OpenOffice is just like a dodging, you know, responsibilities and stuff like that. So, right, so never try to respond to things like, oh, do you have like a 5 minutes to help me? It's just no, I'm busy. No, just like pure concentration. Right, so it's a dodging game. Try with a square aspect ratio. That's an interesting idea, honestly. And that's an interesting idea, to be fair.